What's going on, Crypto Yang Gang? It's your boy Crypto Yang here with another ElderHash update. So I was able to make a withdrawal 2 nights ago, not last night, but the night before that, and I was unable to give you guys any kind of proof of that withdrawal coming through. Now, if you look on withdrawal balance, you can see 0.000808889 Bitcoin, and it is done. All right, so I can't show you guys any proof because Binance website is down, so I can't actually log into my Binance account. They've been going through a lot of technical issues, and so far I haven't been able to really look and see, but I do have an email. Check this out. My email showed me Binance account has recharged 0.000808889 Bitcoin. So basically this transaction has completed and it did come through onto Binance. I can't see it, but Binance did let me know that this deposit was made, which means this withdrawal was processed. So I'm actually able to make another withdrawal here, and I'm going to make another withdrawal. As you can see, my balance is up above the minimum withdrawal. I've been able to withdraw every single day. I've missed a couple days, but that just made for bigger withdrawals. So if you guys aren't familiar, this is a cloud mining website. The active time is 8 days now, going on to its 9th day, and they've already paid out more than 12 Bitcoin, which if you convert that into US dollars, they're almost at $108,000 that they've paid out. People are screaming scam, this and that, whatever. I don't care about all you haters screaming all that. All I know is that I am almost at the point of which I have gotten all my money back that I've invested. Now, if you look, it's at 148,000 people. I started on day one at 12,000 people. In the beginning, I deposited 0.00581 Bitcoin, which was equivalent to around $50 at the time. And I am going to go ahead and make a withdrawal. So far, if we add this up, let's go ahead and add up how much I have withdrawn. And that's 0.0034, blah, 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 blah. We're going to go ahead and convert this over. So far I've gotten about $30 worth of Bitcoin. After today's withdrawal, I should have gotten all of my money back, because right now we're at about what, $30, and the amount that I'm going to withdraw is worth $12.38. So we're almost there to my $50 initial deposit. I don't expect this thing to go beyond 20 days. I won't give anything beyond 20 days. Is going to be a blessing. I'll be very happy if it goes beyond 20 days. At this point, you can still deposit and still get some kind of a profit if this thing stays around for 20 days. If it doesn't, I mean, hey, it is what it is. This is high risk, high reward. This is not a long-term investment. All these people who are talking, screaming, scam this, scam that, they don't understand that we're here to flip our money and just make money. We're not here to invest in the long-term company. We're not here to, hold for a year or two. We're here to flip some money, and that's what I'm doing right now. $50, I expect to get $100 out of. And hopefully Bitcoin rises in price anyway, because if it does, eventually, not right now. Right now, it's kind of looking like a bear trap. It might fall back down and then come up eventually. But eventually, hopefully Bitcoin flies. And if it does, I mean, shoot, $100 worth of Bitcoin at this price might be worth 10 times that later on this year. You see what I'm saying? So, but anyway, on to the withdrawal. As you can see, I've made 4 withdrawals so far. This is going to be my 5th withdrawal. 5th withdrawal in 8 days, or 7 days technically, because the first day I signed up and I wasn't able to withdraw that day. So let's go ahead and make this withdrawal to the wallet address 14NWY6. Yes, my info is correct. Submit transaction. Boom, done. You will receive 0.0013873 Bitcoin on the next payout wave. This can take a while. Now, they say this can take a while, but really what they're saying is usually it takes about 2 hours. It'll take about 1 hour or maybe even an hour and a half for this to change from pending to done, and then it'll take another like 30 minutes to an hour to actually hit my account. So here's your payout proof for the last payment that I withdrew for the 0.0008 Bitcoin, and hopefully I'll be able to update you guys tonight on the next withdrawal that I made. Okay, like I said, I have an email right here. This is my Gmail, as you can see. I mean, you see my icon here. I can't see it on Binance because obviously the website is down. But if you watched any of my videos in the past, I've shown you guys that the Binance account does get these payments. So I'm almost break even. Break even is supposed to be in 10 days, right? And then anything past 10 days is a blessing. It's all profit. So let's all hope that this website stays up longer than any of the other websites. Now, some of them have stayed up for 20 days. Some of them have stayed up for 40 days. Some of them stayed up for 60 days. And maybe even beyond that. So you never know. That's why it's a risk. But if it does stick around for a while, that's free money, you guys. You know? Anyway, appreciate you guys watching. Subscribe, like, share the video, comment on the video. If you have anything negative to say, go ahead and throw it at me. That's fine. Everybody's going to look at you like you're a dummy because you'll be outnumbered by the people who are watching this. We all know what we're trying to do here. We're all trying to flip some money. If you're trying to invest in something to hold for a long time, you're at the wrong channel at this moment. I have other videos on those kind of things, but I'm more of a flipper. If you're not trying to flip your money and you're trying to hold, then you need to go and do some technical analysis and all that. And because I'm not a professional advisor or consultant at all. Everything I tell you is based on my personal opinion and based on my research. But if I were you, this is what I would do. You got the referral here. The link is in the description as well as in the comments. If you want to sign up and make your first deposit, I suggest you do it as soon as possible because, like I said, this website may not stick around for too long. It could stick around for a long time. You never know. But just to be safe, on the safe side, if you deposit now, you'll still have, I would say, at least 2 days of profit. So, I mean, you know, if you put in $1,000, you're going to get your $1,000 in 10 days. And then you have 2 days where you're going to get 10% of that. So you'll get $200, you know, before this site goes under. That's my opinion. But you never know. I mean, if this thing lives for 40, 60 days or even longer than that, we're in the money. You hear what I'm saying? Crypto Yang signing out. Appreciate Crypto Yang Gang. Like the video, subscribe, share, comment. Appreciate the support from everybody.